Let's go over what we will learn in this section of Terraform Introduction. We will start with Introduction to Terraform, where it comes from and what it does. We will learn that Terraform is an infrastructure as a code tool and it is not a configuration management tool. We will then learn really how Terraform works under the hood, and then we will learn what is a Terraform registry, what are the different providers it have, and what are the types of those providers, and how this Terraform interacts with different providers. We will then move on to installing a Terraform on a Mac OS, and then we will have an exercise for Bob to install Terraform on any flavored of Linux operating system. So let's go ahead and take care of all these pieces.